All right, let's put some foam grips on the handlebars of the bike. My winter gloves, I have a tough time grabbing onto the throttle because I have to really squeeze it. It kind of cramps up my hand. So, got these grab-on grip covers. They fit pretty well. I already got the left side of the handlebars on. Kind of an unorthodox way to put them on, I will say that. Struggled with for about 5 minutes on that side before I realized, hey, let's look at the instructions, see if there's an easier way to do it. Sure enough, spray hairspray inside the grip cover and quickly slide it into place. Of course, me being the DIYer I am, try to do everything without any instructions first. And as always, I ended up having to look at the instructions and got a better way to do it. Went inside, got the wife's hairspray. Honey, sorry if you see this video. I'll buy you some new ones, or I'll buy you a new can. I didn't use that much. Plus your can looks like it says it's only $6, so not the end of the world. Let's get this one undone. Just got some cheap hand guards. Let's put these right here. All right, so keratin hairspray foam. This thing works really well. I'm actually gonna put a cover down on the bike there so I don't dirty it up. Let's do this one. There we go. I'll spray a little bit probably on the handlebars and on the inside. It says it takes about 24 hours for everything to completely dry and slap it on. We'll see how true that is. All right, so got the hairspray all sprayed up on there. It's kind of a odd first initial placement, but you gotta slap her on in there. Get up above the lip. Look at that, it's already easy wanting to go on there. I just twist it. I go probably counter or clockwise on this one because it's the throttle. I don't want to just twist right on there. Perfect. Look at that. Looks really good, actually. Looks really good. It feels so much better. Look at all that slack that this bike has. It's kind of irritating, but you know what? Beggars can't be choosers. Oh yeah, that feels so much better already. All right, well, cool. Again, grab on, made in USA, that's good. Grip covers, got this down at Pete's Cycle down here in Baltimore. I got some coolant and some other stuff. I saw those on the wall, so I'm gonna go put the covers back on, or the handguard back on, and let this sit overnight. So, all right, thanks for watching, guys.